Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another exciting day in mathematics. Whoop, whoop. Warm-up 69 should come up on your screen. It says given 10, 6, 12, 15, and 1. Sketch a bell curve and check for outliers. So two things that I need done for that. I'll give you guys some time. You do need a calculator, so send a gopher or get yourself a calculator. All right, copy it. All right. For the sake of time, here we go. Looks like Austin T's got this. Very good, Austin. Appreciate it. So, bell curve, which means we need a mean. We need a standard deviation. And to keep us in the norm, and then to check for outliers, we need the IQR. Is that correct? All right. So, Austin T, go. Mean. $8.8. All right. Hands have got 8.8. All right, check with the neighbors, see what you got for your standard deviation, and then Austin T is going to enlighten us since he's already completely done. Standard deviation. $4.8. Hands, have you got something like that? You did the long way or shortcut? All right, so you might be off if you did shortcut by some decimal points or by 1. All right? So looks about right. So then we are at 13.6 or 4. That's our norm. We need the IQR, which means you needed to arrange these in ascending order. Oh. We got 1, 6, 10, 12, 15. All right, and reminder about those mobile devices, AirPods, earbuds, and whatnot. So, 5 data, so Q2 is 10. Yes? Yes, there's a Q. Q1 is 3.5. And Q3 is 13.5. Yes? So that means the IQR is what? Pass someone? Austin. Mario. 10. All right. Then you check for the small outlier. Formula Q1 minus 1.5 times the IQR. And then the large outlier, Q3 plus 1.5 times the IQR. So we need a magic number for the for the small outlier and a magic number for the large outlier. Pass someone? Mario? Boop. Oh. Yeah. Negative 11.5. Hands, have you got something like that? Yes. Do we have any negative numbers in this data? No. So there are no outliers or no small outliers. All right. How about for the large? Got someone? Carter? Cole? What's that magic number? You said 28.5. Hands that got 28.5? Yeah, am I right? Or yeah? All right, so therefore no large outliers. Why not, Mr. Q? Because there's nothing beyond 15, and this one says 28.5 and above is an outlier. So, all right, send me that, please. Did I send you the screen already? All right, copy the agenda, please. Warm-up number 69, measures of position. Today we're going to finish this up with deciles. Deciles. Home plate page 161, numbers 29 to 30. 29 to 30 only. Only 2 problems. Aww. Only. And once again, just reminded, this session is being recorded. And so at this time, once you copy the agenda, go to Canvas, turn in your home plate from last night. It was only 1 problem, all 3 different measures. Thank you. All right, and access for tonight's home plate, copy this code, M4DBF, M4DBF. The what? The agenda, yeah. So once again, last night was 1 problem, all measures. Tonight looks like this. Oh yeah, we got this. All right, here we go. I can summarize data and compute the measures of position. I can summarize data and compute the measures of position. So by now you should know that we are finishing up measures of position today. We already started not too long ago in December. Woo, it's been you guys say a minute anymore? What do you guys say now? A second? Going faster? All right. Anyways, by now we know what the different measures are. I'm not going to ask you for that. We know that the measures of position are standard scores, percentiles, quartiles, and today we're going to cover deciles. Here goes our road trip through measure of position. Formulas for z-scores or standard scores, yes. Formulas for percentiles, 3 different ones, yes. From there, yesterday we covered quartiles, 3 different ones, yes. Today, deciles, oh, I'm sorry. So by now we have 27 of them. Ooh, let's go from the corner. Copy this formula for today's session. Deciles, d of k equals k over 10 times n plus 1. d of k equals k over 10 times n plus 1. Here we go. How about now? All right, so as you're writing that one down, let me make some notes on that formula. With green, circle the N and tell your neighbor what N stands for. Yeah, total numbers of numbers, yes? Yes, Mr. Q. All right. Next, circle K. See what I did there? Circle K. Anyway, circle K. And label this one decile to be found. So on the problem, they're going to ask you to find a particular decile. That's what they're talking about there. However, this formula all corresponds to d of k. So circle d of k completely in blue. And what are we looking for with this whole formula? We're looking for the rank or position of a number or of a data. Rank or position. And you guys remember this? We did it already with percentiles. You guys remember we found a certain number and it said, let's say it was 3. Then we went to our list of numbers that we did in ascending order and we counted 1, 2, 3, and then we just got that number, and that was the number that we were looking for. Same idea, but now we're going to be dealing with deciles. Okay? We good? All right. Without further ado, copy this problem onto your notes. Example Q. And it reads, identify the 6th of the decile of the given data set. Use formula. And we're given 15, 8, 7, 7, 9, 11, 2, 4, 7, 10, 3, 9, 7, 5, 2, 6, 8, 12, 1, and 4. Copy the entire problem first. So like that you have the entire process. So I'll give you guys some time. Copy and go. Off and T, step 1. Everyone? Ascending order. All right, so we start with 1, 2 of them. You guys are writing this down? Yes? Okay. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 4 of them. 8. 9. Oh, there's 2 8s, sorry. 2 8s. 2 9s. 12, and 15. We good? All right. All right, let's do this. D of K equals to K over 10 times N plus 1. All right. I'm going to change the N to green. All right. So let's substitute values. So what is our K? Tell your neighbor. 6. That is correct. That's the decile that we're looking for. So we write 6. What is N? 20, right? There's a total of 20 numbers. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 plus 1 is 21. All right. So calculators calculate. 6 divided by 10 times 21. And that's going to be approximately, put the wiggles on right there. Approximately what? Let's see, I think Amelia's got this. What you get, Amelia? 12.6. Hands, have you got 12.6? Okay. However, what is this number? Circle it in blue. Because we are finding the what? What do we label in blue in our formula? The rank or position. Is that correct? So that means we're looking at the 12.6 position. Y'all ready? Here we go. So we're going from left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and a little bit more, so about right here. Yeah, 12.6. Is there a number in that position? No. Oh my, what shall I do? Oh my, what shall I do when I fall in between two numbers? Tell your neighbor. Carter, what do we do? 7 plus 8 divided by 2, and that is 15 divided by 2, so this is going to be approximately 7.5. That's our magic number. Pretty straightforward, yeah? From 1 to 5, I'll come to argue with that. Now, check this out. Let me elaborate a little bit more. Writing utensils down, look up to the screen. Look up. So, the word decile comes from the Latin word decim, which means, if you speak it in Spanish, diez or des means 10. So you're like, Mr. Q, but there's 20 numbers. Okay, but if we divide the 20 numbers into 10 sections, we go by how many? Every 2, is that correct? So let's do this together. So go 2 numbers. You're going to label that D1. Another 2 numbers, D2. Another 2 numbers, D3. Another 2 numbers, D4. Another 2 numbers, D5. Another 2 numbers, D6. Another 2 numbers, D7. D8. D9. And of course the N is D10. So question. Look at D6. Look up. D6 is in between what numbers? 7 and 8. So did we get our number accurately? Yes, using the formula. All right? So, with that said, send me your notes, please. You're going to do one by yourself. Give me a second. So, since we are experts now at finding deciles, let me give you the next problem. Example Super Q reads, identify the 4th decile for the given data set. Use formula, and there's the data set. Copy that, and I'll give you guys some time to finish up, and then send me your work on the screen. Let me send that to your screen. It looks like D4 is at 8.4, 8th spot and a little bit more. So they said approximately 6.5. Hands if you got that? That is correct. Let's go. From 1 to 5, look up to argue with deciles. Yeah, we got it, right? Okay. So with that said, that brings us to the conclusion of measures of position. So we're done with z-scores. We're done with percentiles, quartiles, and deciles. Tonight's home plate looks something like this. Now let me pause the music in the back really quick, and let me elaborate on this. It's only 2 problems, but there's 6 sets of data. So what are you going to do with all 6 sets of data? You're going to check for outliers. Do you know how to do that? Yeah, we did that on the warm-up. Is that correct? However, for 29B and for 30C, you're going to find the D3 for 29B and D7 for 30C. Does everybody see what we're doing? Yeah? All right, I'm going to leave that up there, and let me send this to your screen. Those of you that are following along on YouTube, make sure you put in some work and do the home play. Bye. See you guys next time. Peace.